working with D.I.Y with the What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. This your boy Greg with D.I.Y with the wrist. Man, I know y'all been wondering what's going on with the 6.0, man. What's going on with the 6.0? So, man, as y'all can see, man, got the truck on the jack stands, man. It's on the jack stands. I got the Denali sitting up high, man, so I can get up on there. Come to find out, man, this truck was a 4x4. I never dealt with a 4x4 transfer case, 4-wheel drive, any of that. I ain't never dealt with none of that. But today, man, I'm gonna work on the truck, man, because I got to get this motor out. Got to get this truck going out my yard, man. And let's see what we can do today, man. Anyway, man, y'all like, subscribe, share, man. Hit that thumbs up for your boy, man. Hit that notification bell so you get all our videos. And we'll be back with you. Let's go. Alright, man. So let's get y'all the update, man. I have been working on this thing, man. So I've been tearing down this wire harness, man. There's a lot of stuff on this truck. So far, man, I bust down the wire harness, got everything off the top of the motor. Fuel injectors, map sensor, mass outflow sensor, throttle position sensor, all of my sensors, man. I done got them off, man. And also, as y'all can see, I got the ECU out there. I now ready to upload the tune, and I'm gonna make all that work. Got it out there. So I'm trying to get everything out this trying to get this harness out of here, man, without, you know, butchering her, you know, because somebody might need this harness, you know. I know they cheap, but somebody might need this harness, man. Also, man, I found out, look at my throttle body, man. So my throttle body is a drive-by-wire, man, but it's got the separate sensors for the throttle position sensor and the IAC. All that's separate. So I'm thinking, man, I might have one of them hybrid computers, because they got a hybrid computer that can run electronic or drive-by cable throttle body. So basically, man, I think I got a good computer that I need to keep. So anyway, man, that's where we at on that, man. And let me show y'all what I've been doing, getting this thing prepped to pull it out. All right. Alright, gang, so as y'all see, man, we got that drive shaft out, got it out, and we got the front drive shaft out, that little guy there. So what I started doing, I went on and cut, y'all see right there, I went on to cut the exhaust. It's dripping water because it's been raining again, but got that exhaust cut, and I got one manifold off. So I'm thinking, I'm gonna get these manifolds off. Let me show y'all. Get the manifold off. I better get to my motor mounts. See if y'all can see them. Yeah, so y'all look down in now. Zoom in for y'all a little bit. So yeah, down up in there, get the motor mounts off. So now, try to get this side. Go ahead and get the manifold off on them side, and then the steering shaft. We get the steering shaft off, get that loose, and pull that manifold out. Then I'll be able to man, I don't know, man. Oh, shoot, man. It shouldn't be too difficult, man. But like I said, man, it's my first time dealing with 4-wheel drive. So they said that transfer case about 100 pounds. So you know, I ain't been lifting no weights and nothing. You know, I'm trying to get that out, man. If I can get that out, drop the cross member. I'm gonna pull the engine and the transmission out together. Pull it all out together. So y'all stick with your boy, man. Come on. Alright, gang. So we're gonna get this temperature sensor off. Get that off there. Move out the way. So what I'm gonna do, man, I'm gonna go ahead on and I'm gonna try to get all my manifold bolts off. That manifold look like it's cracked. Anyway, go ahead and get those off, man. For those that don't know, that's 10 millimeter. Alright, gang, I'm gonna try to get this steering shaft off. We got a little bolt on there, and that's what is that? I think it's like a 15. Yeah, it's a 15 millimeter. So that's all you need to unloosen that. We'll pull that out, get this out the way. Alright, gang, so we just got that. Got that. Trying to do this with one hand. Alright, so we got that piece. Then bolt come right out. That up there. So I should be able to just pull this down. Nope. Probably gonna have to get a hammer and tap on it, and that right there should collapse. You see that right there should collapse, and that'll give me room to get back there to get the rest of those bolts for the manifold. So I'm gonna get something to tap that back, and I'll get back with you. Alright, gang, so got that exhaust manifold out, and so now I can pretty much get to the motor mounts on this side. I wasn't able to get this off, man. For some reason, it didn't want to collapse. So I'm gonna leave it. I really don't need to have it collapse and get the motor out. As long as I can get them bolts out, we good to go. So far, man, got both sides out. Y'all see, yeah, manifold down there. I gotta disconnect that that oxygen sensor right there, and then I'm gonna cut the rest of that exhaust out right there, and then I'm gonna try to tackle this transfer case, man. So I get my transmission jack, get up under here, and I take this cross member off right here, and I'll get my jack up under there, and then I'm gonna work on getting it out of there, man. See what make things hard on these GMs and GMCs and these torsion bars. So they got the torsion bars going through there. They go all the way through there. Then you got that bracket right there. I'm just wondering that whole bracket come down. I'm wondering if I can get that whole bracket down. I've seen some people cut those, but I mean, shit. Somebody might want to salvage this truck, cause I'm gonna take it to the junkyard. I'm letting them come pick it up. But I don't want to just tie stuff up, you know what I'm saying? Because somebody might can use this, bring it back to life, you know? But yeah, man, that's what we got, man. So I'm trying to finish getting this exhaust out. And I'm going from there, man. I'll get back with you. Alright, gang. Just got through cutting some more of that exhaust off, man. I'm thinking, man, that I'm gonna take this cross member off, man, and try to move this whole, try to pull all this, man, cause y'all see up in there, man, need them bolts to get to the transfer case. They all the way up top there in the back of there. And really, man, I'm thinking if I take this cross member off, the transmission cross member off, I think this will go down. I can move it forward enough and pull it. I don't know, man. Let me get my transmission jack up under him, and we gonna see what to do, man. Alright, gang. Got the transmission jack, man. Get this on down. Let's see. I got the truck up a little bit. Got a little high a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Hoping my jack will be able to reach it. Be interesting, man. My little adjuster right there in the doggone way. See. Yeah. All right. Man. Kind of messed up, man. I'm gonna have to get the other jack. It's kind of messed up. Let's see. Maybe go this way with it. Alright, gang. So we got up enough to take this cross member out. So I'm gonna get this cross member out, man, and see how far with this we can get this. Alright, gang. So we got the cross member out. And like I thought, see right there, I don't know if y'all can see it now, but the transfer case is sitting on this torsion bar deal. So I got all that loose, got the weight on transmission jack, and now really, man, all I gotta do is a lot of wire connections that's on this guy. I gotta be very careful up on here, but I mean, it ain't going nowhere, cause I mean it's on that, but I gotta get all of those connectors loose off of this guy. And once I do that, go ahead and take these these motor mount bolts off, get them off, and I'm gonna take the intake off, and I'm gonna start trying to pull it. I'm gonna get this truck down low, because as y'all see, man, it's up is up pretty high ground. So I'm gonna get it down so I can get my engine horse in now, man. Shoot, pretty soon, man, we gonna be pulling this thing out, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's getting out. It's getting out. Know y'all ready, man. Know y'all ready for it, man. Y'all see I got the light, man. Light. Turn that off. Yeah, man. So that's where we at, man. I just want to give y'all just a little update on this thing, man, because I know y'all been wondering, man, what is Greg doing with the 6.0, man. So that's what we doing, man. Just having a little issue getting out, but we gonna get out and we gonna get her built up. Alright, man. Anyway, man, y'all like, subscribe, share, man. Hit the thumbs up button, man. Hit the thumbs up button for your boy, man. We got some more coming. We got some more stuff coming, man. And like I said, man, my favorite scripture, Philippians 4:13. I can do all things through Christ Jesus who strengthens me. We out here, man.